Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Alright, my TP just got hit now. This in step index, this is where my TP was. So I took the trade all the way from this place now to this place. So you can see it here. This is step index, the two of them. I hope you are seeing it. So from here to this place, then let me show you why and how I took the trade. So I think it was okay, yeah, the weekly time frame, one step index. So I can take this line out now so you can see what I'm seeing. So I hope you guys are seeing this. I told you guys that if you want to do whenever you want to enter a trade, you go to the higher time frame and do your top down analysis all the way from maybe monthly or weekly, depends. Then do it all the way to the lower time frame, like 1 minute or 5 minutes, it depends. So you do your top down analysis. Immediately I entered here, I spotted this. You can see these multiple weeks, they show rejections. That means this place was once a resistance zone, then it got broken, then now it's serving as support. So but that's not the only thing. But okay, let me show you this now. Sorry. So immediately I saw the zone, I marked out the zone. Then I was waiting for other confirmations to enter. Now, the extra confirmation I got here was that this zone happened to be in confluence with my trend line. Like, are you seeing this? That means the market is about to go up. Like, I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So this is a trend line. I believe all of you know how to use a trend line. So for the fact that this zone now happened to be in confluence with this my trend line, then I took the trade all the way from this. Though I executed the trade from the 4 hours. That's from somewhere here. Then it hit my TP because, as you can see, this place is also a resistance zone. So I didn't want the trade to reverse. That was why I took my profit here. So I have other trades that are running, like this volatility 100. So I went down to, I think that was daily time frame, and then I was okay. Are you guys seeing this? This is a W pattern, or maybe you call it a double bottom, or actually I think it's a triple bottom now, because we have this first move here, second, and then the third one. But either way, you understand what I'm saying. So well, it looks like a W pattern if you look at it from this way. So and you guys know that W pattern is one of my best reversal pattern, or the double bottom. Once I spot it, I don't waste time. So if I had been on my, say, 15 minutes or maybe 1 hour, I wouldn't have seen that. Maybe I will be looking out for other strategies, but other patterns to enter the market. But you have to always go to the higher time frame so that you can see things, do your top down analysis. So I think I have another trade. That's the range break here. Are you seeing this? All right, now why did I enter this trade? Let's check H4. All right, so if you are seeing this now, you notice that the market, watch this. Yeah, this is an M pattern forming on a daily time frame. So immediately I spotted this, I took out my trend line. all the way from this bottom to this place. So you know the strategy now, you know the way. Whenever I spot my trend line being broken and probably being like once the thing got broken and then retested, as you can see, the market broke the trend line and then retested the trend line. That is one confirmation, but that is not why I entered the trade. It's not why I entered the trade. So I think I was in my 1 hour time frame, and then I spotted this. So if you guys know, I've been watching my previous videos, you notice that I've been talking mostly about this Quasimodo reversal pattern. It's a smart money concept. So you can see the market gave us a high here, then a low. Hope you guys are seeing this. All right, this low, then this high. I don't think you are seeing this. Let me try to use my arrow. So now the market went up to this place, gave us a high, then a low. Now it gave us a higher high here, therefore taking this previous high out. I hope you guys are seeing this. These two highs are not the same. You see this wick here and this high, they are not on the same level. So this new high now took out this old one, therefore it is called a break of structure. Then the market went down again to give us our lower low, and by doing that the market took out this previous low, this low now, and it is called a change of character. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. It's called a change of character. Then once you get all this confirmation, this is just these three now that I mentioned, then you know that the Quasimodo is about to form. So by the way, this move to this upside now is called a liquidity sweep. So now once you get these three now, all you need to do is to bring out your line. It can be this one, then place it at this top. You see this left move? Okay, I hope you guys understand. You see this previous high now. This previous high that was taken out. See that this previous high that was taken out, it put a line across. So once the market gave us a lower low, the market will have to come back to that same level to give you the right shoulder. That's a Quasimodo level. This is the level now. So it is at this place that you look out for your maybe extra confirmations to enter the trade. That means you can still go down to the smaller time frames to look out for extra confirmation, but this is where you take your trade. So I've been talking about this Quasimodo. If you watch all my videos, you see that this pattern is what the market used to reverse. Like it is a smart money concept. So I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So this is where I entered the first trade. As you can see, if I zoom out, you see it, the first entry there. Let me take out this line. You see, at that same point, immediately the market got there, I entered. So knowing that the market will still come all the way to this downside, I entered again. So if I look out again on maybe on my 5 minutes time frame, I see another setup, I might still enter again. So these are all the things, everything you learn in forex, you just have to combine all of them. First of all, from my daily, I saw that this is an M pattern. You see, M pattern forming, and then it broke my trend line and retested it. That means it has to come all the way to, I don't know, maybe this place, or at least even if it's not going to get to this place, it must come to this level, so I can decide to hold the trade. So I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I drop a video. Alright, thank you guys for watching.